everyone, today we're going to Waseley Hills to go for a walk. I'm going to show you everything that's there and the view and the trails that they have. So we're here with Rory and we're taking our 2 dogs as well. So you do have to pay for the parking here, and it's £3 for the whole day, and it accepts contactless or chip and pin.
So there is also a cafe on site, and there is also some toilets on site, and then there is a helpful map over there that we will show you shortly.
So we're just going to start our walk, and it's 1:15 at the moment. Result of a couple of really cold days. It was -5 here yesterday, so it is icy in places, but we've got our hiking boots on and it's been okay. through. So it was a little bit longer than normal because Arlo fell into the pool. But
He didn't just fall into the pool. I think he dropped like a stone.
Yeah, it was quite deep, I think.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
And if you like to look at dog walking videos or travelling, subscribe and we'll upload other videos. Bye.